Hey there, this is Alex coming to you live from the PBExpo here in Miami, Florida. I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of our booth here. We've got a lot of great stuff going on. Okay, here you go. This is our booth. We've got live 3D printing going on here on our new line of Bamboo Labs 3D printers. We're printing these pretty cool part protection parts. Come out and grab one of these guys. You can actually see we've got a metal piece there snapped right into a polymer part. Really great for protecting parts. You can see some examples here, some of our new documentation. We've got lots of great samples here showing all of our different technologies, SLS, FDM, TPE materials, all sorts of crazy stuff. We've got a couple of our great aerospace projects here to showcase. So some of the work we did with the AMO challenge, with the US Air Force, and a bunch of other great examples of what we can do with additive. We're also showcasing our ability to produce flight-ready parts with our partnership here with the Aviation AM Center out of Dusseldorf, Germany. So these are actually flight-ready parts that can go up in the air with all the certifications for quality and safety required by the FAA. Very, very cool application there. We've also got 3D scanning going on here. We've got the team from Shining 3D here showcasing some of the new scanning technology. You can see what that looks like there. Really incredible, super high details, super fast resolution there. We're giving away a $500 credit for anybody who wants to come and leave their business card. So yeah, please come visit us here at the show. We are in the 2000 hall right next to where the food is. So if you need coffee, you need a burger, that's right where we're at. Okay, hope to see you guys here. Bye.